pretty much the home screen of the application. Very good logo maker application here. So you have a lot of logos which you can copy. As you can see here, you have some default one here. As you can see, you can scroll and look for pretty much anything that you want. Maybe copy these designs. These are pretty much ready-made logo designs which you can edit and use for your personal use. So let's say, for example, this one here, all I have to do is tap on the logo that you may want to copy. Once you have tap on the logo you want to copy, you can pretty much do anything. With editing, you can select that. If you need to edit, you can select anything as it relates to this logo here and edit it to your needs. And that's where you have all the editing tools which you can use to do that as well. So you have the text, you have the stickers which you can add, you have shapes which you can add, as you can see here. You also have backgrounds, so you can adjust backgrounds and so forth. You have all of that which you can do. And as well, if you have made any error or any mistakes while editing your photos, you can pretty much use this option here to undo. So once you tap it once, it will go back to the last thing that you have done mistakenly. And if you do want to go forward, then you can tap on the forward option over here. So that's really pretty much it for that. And once you're finished, you can either put it in the draft or you can download it straight to your device or say gallery. So that's really pretty much it. And you do have the layer feature, which they have. If you do tap on this option here, you will see pretty much the layer. You can pretty much adjust which of these images comes first or go on top. You can either lock the images from it being moved. Sometimes you're editing, you may mistakenly move an image, so it may mess up the edit. So you can either lock it, so you won't be able to select it or even press it or even edit it to see. And as well, you can delete that edit from the picture. So if you have locked it, it won't be able to delete. So all I have to do is just unlock it. Then if you want to delete this layer, then tap on yes. And as you can see here, it will pretty much be removed. So very easy logo maker tool here. It's a very good application. And if you're gonna, let's say you want to save work for later, so you just tap on the R icon here to exit, and it will say discard or save. So it will save in the draft section, which you can go back to and work on. But if not, you don't want to save it at all, then you just tap on the discard option. But I'm just gonna save it to show you guys. So it should be in the draft section here. As you can see, you can always go back and finish editing that image that I was editing earlier. So very easy to use. And as well, you can tap on the three dots to pretty much delete it here. And as well, you can create a duplicate of that same edit. So if I tap on the duplicate option, as you can see here, we'll create a same edit as this here or same image as this here. And as well, you can go ahead and delete this one here and so forth. Same thing applies for the flyers. If you created a logo flyer, it will pretty much be in your respective draft section. So you can either use these default ones here or ready-made ones. All you have to do is go ahead and edit it to your liking, or you can pretty much start from scratch and only create custom option down here. And you can either create your business card. As you can see here, you get blank, everything is blank. You'll be able to upload your text, stickers, pretty much everything. Basically starting from scratch. As you can see here, you can upload stuff and so forth. So that's pretty much up to you. Or if you just want to use the option which ready-made logos are already there. Now you do have the AI feature which you can use. You can use tap on the AI option here. If I do tap on this, it will pretty much be able to start creating logos using AI. So I'm not tap on the start click option. We'll ask you a few questions, just go through based on what you want to create as it relates to your logo and so forth. Let me just enter some few informations. Nothing much. I'm just going to enter some simple information here. Tap on that. It will ask you the style that you want to use. Select the style that you want to use, the color, and you just go ahead. But do keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription. So if you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to use their AI feature, which can help you pretty much create your logo in seconds. So as you can see here, this is pretty much their prices for your subscription and pretty much what we're getting. You have the AI logo generation and as well the AI as well, no ads, but I haven't encountered any ads on our application, however. So you have the monthly subscription, as you can see here the price, and here the subscription that they offer. They do explain as it relates to the subscription, you can see here, and as well, I don't think they offer free trial, but there's something on here saying something about free trial. But anyways, so that's pretty much it for that there, and I'm just gonna go back real quick. So yeah, so you can tap on the crown icon over here as well to go in the subscription page, and that's how you pretty much get your subscription with this logo maker application here. So if I do tap on the three lines as well, you can go over here and tap on the upgrade pro, and I can get it over there as well. And they do offer the dark mode option, and as well I'm seeing a 3 days free trial. That's maybe the free trial that I was talking about earlier. So maybe you can get a 3 days free trial to test out their premium or pro features with this application here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very decent logo maker application, not gonna lie. And yeah, and as well, forgot to mention, if you're in the logo section, you can go in the flyer section as well. So not just the logo section, you have the flyer section, you have the poster section, and all of these are already ready-made, I would say. And all you have to do is select the one that you may want to edit. Do make sure you have internet connection, or it won't load up easier. You're gonna need to download them. But once you upload it up, pretty much can go ahead and edit it to your liking. So that's pretty much it for this video. And if I missed anything at all, guys, make sure you subscribe on the channel, hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. Comment below